Okay, you guys got such a good little kick out of my doodle, especially you, Willie. Figured I'd give a little update. After I talked to Jimmy, who called me on vacation. Thanks, man. Alrighty, well, all starts at the panel, right? Yep, little panel, cup breakers in it. I am going to be adding a double pole breaker. 30 amp double pole. It's going to go up to the ceiling. Jimmy said in like a pole box or a trough, whatever you want to call it. This will be in the ceiling. So I think we're going to end up running, not in the ceiling, in the wall, either one or two conduit just to give us something in the future. That'll all be hidden. It's going to stub out. I guess the ceiling's up here somewhere. Right. It's going to come over and down to the saw. So, I don't know. Saw was over here or whatever. Little motor sticking out. That's going to go to the brake that's attached to the wall close by. Right. To the saw. This is going to go to a plug. Very crude rendition of what a plug looks like. You get it. Receptacle. 4-inch box. Twist lock. Thingamabobber. And that receptacle is going to go up the wall in conduit. Doesn't really look like that, but you get the gist. Actually, shit. Nope. It's going to go to the phase converter after that, right? Right. Drawing is not to scale. Connections are actually up here in like a little junction box thingamadoo. Right? Sometimes when I get stuck a little bit, I start just labeling what I know. Mm-hmm. Static phase converter. I guess it's going to go from there, it's going to go up. Come out of this trough. I guess it's going to sweep down in some capacity, right, Jimmy? Whatever. These are really fat conduit. What do we say? Maybe an inch? Inch and a quarter? Whatever. Those are, what would it say, like 1/2 inch conduit? Something like that, right? Forget the acronym. It was like THHN or something. Jimmy would know. Distribution sub panel. That's in the drywall in the garage. I guess this is a, what do you want to call it? Full box or trough or whatever. .30 amp 2-pole breaker. Yep. Cutler hammer board. Only certain ones are compatible. And these are both the twist cap, right, which has or locking L NEMA type 15, 30 amp receptacle plug. I think that's pretty much it. Jimmy told me to remember to separate the grounds and neutral in the sub panel. Which I'll do at some point. I think that's pretty much it. Receptacle and plug. I don't know. What do you think? Let me know if I should do anything wrong. Or if I did anything wrong, what I should do to fix it. Peace.